So, in this video, we are going to learn about the bookmark, action, and selection pane in Power BI. Okay, so how to do the bookmark action, how to do the action button and selection panes in Power BI. Okay, so the combination of the multiple items like bookmark, action, and selection pane, we are going to create the actions here. So, for that, I have taken the text box as bookmark action, normal text box, like going to go to insert and click on text box and type bookmark action in that. Okay, so let me give some background color as blue. Okay, so for that I have taken two charts. So you have to go to file and in the previous videos I have explained, like in the home, get data, and you have to take one Excel workbook data and then you have to import into it and create two charts using these table columns. I have taken two charts here. So first one is donut chart and second one is the clustered bar chart. Okay. So what I'm going to perform here is, let, let me take two buttons here. So for creating buttons, you have to click on insert, go to insert, click on buttons, take one blank button and name it as style text. Name that button as show all. Okay. And give some background color for this border on. Or else give some font color like different. Okay. Increase the size. Okay. In the same way, take another button. Now click on insert, go to buttons, blank button. In that, we have to type. So let me drag this and place here. Name the button as hide all. Text on. Hide all. Bold. Give some color, text color, like violet. And increase the size of the text so that it will be visible for you. Okay. Now two buttons are ready. We are having the bookmark action, the text box, the two buttons. One is show all, one is hide all, and two charts here. Chart 1, chart 2. Okay. So let me name this chart as chart 1. Go to visualizations, the formatting and general. In that, give some title like chart 1. Chart 1. Okay. And for this, you have to name it as chart 2. Go to formatting of the visualization, general, like title, chart 2. Done. Okay. Now, here what we are going to do is, when I click on show all button, the both charts should be visible. And when I click on hide all button, the both charts should be hidden. This is possible only by using the bookmark action. Now we are going to perform this in this video. Okay. We are going to learn how to hide the charts and how to show the charts using the buttons and bookmark action. Simultaneously, we are going to learn about the action and the selection pane. Using the selection pane, action, bookmark, we are going to perform all these actions today. Okay. So now click on show all button. Then the two charts will be visible. Now once I click on hide all button, go to action on, and here you have to specify the type as bookmark. Okay. Here it is asking us which bookmark. But till now we didn't created any bookmarks. Okay. So for this, we have to create the bookmarks. Now let us see how to create a bookmark for this. Okay. So now you have to go to view and click on bookmarks. Okay. Here it will be showing the bookmarks pane. Now you have to click on add. Here it is showing the bookmark one. Okay. So you have to create two bookmarks. The first one is all should be visible by clicking on show all. And the second bookmark is all should be hidden when we click on the hide all. Okay. You understood? Now click on add. Here it is showing as bookmark name as bookmark 1. By default it is bookmark 1. You have to modify the name, like you have to rename the bookmark name as all visible. Okay, done. Now you have to take another bookmark and rename this bookmark as all hidden. Done. Now we have taken the two bookmarks. Now, first of all, here the two charts are showing here. But for performing the hide all, we need to hide both the charts. Further, we use the selection pane in the view. Okay. So click on selection. It will be displaying all the things which we have taken here. Okay. All the things which we have taken means what we have taken. First of all, we have taken one text box and buttons 2 and chart 1 and chart 2. So now once you click on all hidden here, click on all hidden, make the both charts like once you click on all visible, the charts will be visible. The both charts will be visible here. Okay. So here the both charts are highlighted. You know that here two buttons will be there. Like the button 1 is show all and the button 2 is hide all. So once you click on the button 1, what it is showing here? So it is hide all. Let me do without confusing. Let me name it as hide all. Okay. And this button as show all. So then there will be no confusion for you. Okay. So, okay. Now, select all hidden from the bookmarks. Okay. It is loading. select all hidden, and you have to hide both the charts. That means you have to click on this I. Okay. Then the action will be performed. Okay. And when you click on all visible, it is going to show both the charts. Okay. Once you click on all hidden, the both chart should be not visible. Okay. Now the same action I want to apply on both show all and hide all buttons. So when I click on show all, both charts must be visible. When I click on hide all, the both charts must be hidden. So this show all should be connected to all visible. Once I click on show all, and you have to go to the action. You have to select the type bookmark, and you have to give all visible for this. Okay. And now once you click on hide all bookmark, select all hidden. Now when I control click on show all, it should show the both charts. Okay. It is showing now. Okay. And when I control click on hide all, it should hide the both charts. So I think here the charts are not hidden. Again, I will perform all hidden, select all hidden. So now when I'm clicking on guide hide all, it is not showing the charts. Okay. And now when I click on control show all, it is showing the charts. So in this way, we are going to perform the show all and hide all. So again, I'm explaining the process for you. First of all, you have to take one bookmark action text box, and you have to take two buttons, show all and hide all, and you have to take two charts, chart 1 and chart 2, using this table and columns. Okay. So after that, you have to click on show all button, and you have to select the action on and type bookmark. For that, we have to create two bookmarks for these two buttons. So the first bookmark is all visible and second bookmark is all hidden. name the by default bookmark names as all visible and all hidden. Once you click on all visible, the charts will be by default visible only. So for the hide all only we have to perform. Now when you click on the all hidden, you have to close this eyes, like you have to click on this eyes, then the charts will be hidden. Okay, that action will be performed to all hidden. So you do observe that you have to close this tick. You have to make this tick as not marked for all visuals. All visuals. Then only it will be applied. Okay. So next. So for the show all, you have to go to action and you have to give the show all, means you have to show the bow chart. Now for that you have to give the destination as all visible, bookmark name as all visible, and for the hide all, you have to give the bookmark name as all hidden. Then the actions will be performed. So when I control click on show all, the charts will be visible. And when I control click on hide all, the charts will be hidden. So in this way, we are going to learn how to use the bookmark action, selection pane, and show all and hide all buttons, like how to show the charts and how to hide the charts. So in this way, in this video, we learned about bookmark action and how to use the selection pane. So thank you.